Unraveling the charm of the cat's meow, a fun English phrase explained. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and fun phrase, the cat's meow. This expression is not just about cats, but a wonderful part of English idioms. Stay tuned as we delve into its meaning and usage. The cat's meow is an idiomatic expression in English, which means something is excellent, impressive, or stylish. It originated in the United States during the 1920s, a period known for its unique slang. Imagine something so cool and wonderful. It's like a cat proudly meowing. That's the essence of this phrase. Let's see how we can use this expression in everyday conversations. 1. Describing objects. Have you seen her new car? It's really the cat's meow. 2. Praising people. His performance on the stage was the cat's meow. 3. Expressing enthusiasm. This new video game is the cat's meow among teenagers. By using this phrase, you can convey your admiration or approval in a playful and engaging way. Interestingly, the cat's meow has a fun variation, the cat's pajamas. Both phrases carry the same meaning and can be used interchangeably. It's another example of the playful nature of English idioms. That's all about the cat's meow. We hope you found this explanation helpful and entertaining. Remember, learning English can be as fun as exploring expressions like this. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using idioms like a native speaker. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.